Welcome to Tech Diet. Let's dive into our today's problem. Maximize the profit as a salesman. You are given an integer and representing the number of houses on a number line, number from 0 to n minus 1. Additionally, you are all given a 2D integer array offers where offer is start, and then gold. So these start and are inclusive, and gold is the amount of gold that you will get after uh, receiving that offer. And our goal is to maximize the earnings, strategically selecting which offers do we want, and we need to return the maximum amount of gold that we can get out of the given offers. So let's see this test case we have with us. So we have total of 5 houses, and these are the offer in hand. After selling house 1, house 0 will get gold of 1. After selling house 0, 1, 2 will get gold amount 2. After selling house 1, 2, 3 we'll get a gold amount of 2. So we can club these two offers, and because they are exclusive, so we'll get 3 amount of gold. We can't club this offer with any of the given offers because the 0 is already sold and 1 is already sold here. So maximum I can get from this combination is 2. The maximum I can get from this combination is 3. The maximum out of them all is 3. So we'll return 3 here. So that will be one approach where we can find the mutually exclusive offer set. We can add them up, and out of those additions, similar additions, we can get what is the maximum overall. So that would be one approach, but this will end up like, can I take this offer, can I club with this one? So to like exponential to raised power n, which might not do well with this the size of the test case. So we need to come up with a better approach. So what we can do, let's say, since the houses are on numbered line, right? So we have this 2, 3, 4, 5 with us. How many profit I can make after selling these 3 houses? How many profit I can make after selling these 3 houses? So what is the total profit that I can get from selling all these houses is the corresponding sub problem summation, right? So we are saying what is the max profit I can get by selling the houses till 2, let's say, or 3, let's say. So what is the maximum profit so far, and what is the maximum profit so far for, so that we can say the profit at 4 will be what is the profit at 3, and what will be the corresponding profit I can get, the what is the maximum profit I can get from all the orders that I can have it from, that ends at the corresponding 4, ending at that fourth house. So that will be our solution. So we can say how much profit I can make starting ending at house 4 is equal will be equal to the how many profit that I make till this summations, and what is the corresponding maximum I can get at that level. So that will be our solution. What is the corresponding maximum I can get from all of them? So for the starting, we may initialize it to as what is the profit that I have achieved till that third house, and what is the maximum profit that we can get, which will be eventually the house minus 1, the profit at 3, or what is the maximum profit I can get which is ending at that house. So it could be like 0 to 4 is already there, and or it could be like 0 to 3 is there, and 4 and 4 is there. So that will be our equation. So let's do that thing. So for that we need to say what is the corresponding offers that are ending at particular index, right? So this is my index, the ending house index, and this will have a corresponding list of uh, offers. So let's call it as offer map is equal to new hash map, and let's initialize our dp as well, is equal to new int n plus 1, and we know selling a house 0 is 0, We will start from house as 1. We'll treat house number 0 as house 1. um, we can ignore this because by default it will be added as 0 itself. So now we can say we can iterate over the given offers, and this will be my list of offers that I have, and in the offer map I can get or default the corresponding offer ending at that index. So that will be something like this. So this will return me a list of integer that is wrapped inside that list. Let's call it as o list is equal to the list of offers that are ending at that index. So we'll have in this o list we'll add our offer, and in the offer map we can put what is the end index we have and what is the corresponding list that is there for those offer that are ending at that index. And then we can start our from house 1 till house less than equal to n house plus plus. What we can say here that dp of house will be initially dp of house minus 1, dp of house minus 1, and then we can say for the houses that are ending at that index. So let's say this is the offer index, dp dot get house minus 1, collections dot empty list, and here we'll have dp of house is equal to math dot max of dp of house comma dp of the corresponding offer dot get 0 plus what this offer has to offer me, the corresponding gold amount. And then we can say return dp of n. Let's try to run this. Okay, this should be map or whatever we call this value, the offer map. So we find that list of offer ending at index 1, and what is the corresponding offer. So here this is something like dp of that plus the offer of. Okay, let's hit submit. Okay, it's accepted. So yeah, that's about it. So we are calculating the profit that is ending at selling at house 3 or house 4, and if selling at house 4 means like what is the maximum sell that we have made till house 3, or what is the maximum sell that we can make till house 4. So we'll calculating all of that, and in the end we'll return have the maximum amount what is the total profit we can get out of selling all these houses. Yeah, thank you.